Hi, property viewers, and welcome back to another property tour. I'm your host, Ariel Torem, and sitting behind me is a two-story duplex house located in BF Homes, Las Piñas City. It has a lot area of 140 square meters and a floor area of 200 square meters. And ang maganda dito is located just sa corner lot. But before I tour you around, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Also, please follow our page on Facebook and Instagram. So, let's go! So, ito yung pedestrian gate. Dito tayo dadaan. This will lead towards to your main house. But before we enter the main house, I will show you that there's a two-car park here. And then, ang gate natin is manual gate. And then, from the pedestrian gate, pag dumiretso tayo dito, yung nakikita nating room doon sa dulo, that's the maid's quarter or driver's quarter. And gusto ko dito, meron siyang small pocket garden dito side before you enter the house. So this is the main door. On this side, this is the main staircase going to your bedrooms. So lahat ng bedrooms nandito sa taas, so walang bedroom dito sa baba. Okay, dito muna tayo sa ground floor. This area, it's an open layout. So, pwedeng ito yung living area or entertainment area nyo or guest area since ito yung pinakamalapit sa main door. Then, maganda dito, we have a understair storage dito. So, maliit lang siya, pero at least it could help you store items so marami kayong mga gamit when moving in this property. As we move forward, pwedeng 6 to 8 seaters kasi spacious yung area dito and you have a direct access going outside ng property. So ito yung pag nag-turn right tayo paglabas, that's the way going to the pedestrian gate. Pag dito naman, maid's quarter yung ditong part. So dito talaga dapat yung dining area natin kasi mas malapit to sa kitchen para may direct access tayo and easy lang kapag nagluto ka and then ihain mo sa dining table. So we have this L-shaped kitchen layout dito and we have this sliding door glass dito and may utility area pa tayo dito sa likod. Doon pwede mga washing area, nandun yung sink, nandun sa labas. So we have here your double sink, your countertop. We have overhead cabinets here. On this area naman, this is your stove provision. And then yung ref is ditong side naman. Then this door, if naku-curious kayo, this will lead you also outside, going straight to the maid's quarter. So if you have a maid or staff, so pwede nilang i-access from their room going dito directly sa kitchen. So iba pa tong sliding door glass dito. And don't worry, if you have any visitors or guests, we have this common bathroom here. So, meron tayong powder room. So, now let's proceed to the bedroom upstairs. So, hi. On this second floor, we only have 3 bedrooms. I'm gonna show you the bedroom number 1. This is the bedroom number 1, the corner bedroom. Maganda dito sa corner bedroom, you have these windows here. These are sliding glass or sliding window glass. So, mas maaliwalas pag corner. So, if I'll be living dito sa property nito, I'll be choosing this one kasi mas maraming natural light coming inside the bedroom. Then, we already have this fixture here. So, we have this closet. Then, along the hallway, dito naman sa tabi ng corner room, this is the bedroom number 2. They have the same size. Ang difference lang nila is you only have this window glass here. Unlike yung corner, may window glass pa dito. And it's just the same size. It has the same fixtures here. So you have this closet here. Then for the 2 bedrooms, we have this common bathroom. So it has a shower, sink, and water closet. So shared yung bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. Then lastly, this is the master bedroom. It is quite spacious at gusto ko dito is marami siyang window glass again. Mas pumapasok talaga yung natural light dito sa room. Dito on this side, since it's a corner lot, makikita mo yung street around the house. Dito siguro kasha is king size bed, then siguro maglagay tayo ng TV wall dito, then floating cabinets, then working table siguro doon side. Marami pang pwedeng gawin dito sa property, kaya maganda siya if you have some ideas on how to improve or paano mag-renovate pa sa room para mas maging aesthetic siya. Then you have multiple closet or cabinets here. Mas marami siya kaysa sa mga smaller bedroom because it's the master's bedroom. Then you have your own bathroom here. Meron kang sink, water closet, and shower area. Then I recommend lang for the future buyers or future owners of this house, mag-install ka ng shower partition na glass partition or kung ano yung preferred niyo. So, yun yung master bedroom natin with its own toilet and bath. That's the full tour of this house. If you want to know more details and for property viewings, just contact us through our contact details provided in the description box below. Again, this is your host, Sir Realtor M, and see you on our next property tour.